Yes, it is legendary and very healing. Bay leaves, let's take it. From bay leaves, 67 pieces. Bay leaves in a pot, let's place it. Let's pour 2 glasses of water on it. And now put the pot on the stove, we place it. Let's turn the stove on to high heat and boiling water in the pot, let's wait. The moon is hot, hot, hot. Now to boil started. I turned the stove fire to low and 6 minutes bay leaves, let's boil it. Yes, we boiled it for 6 or 7 minutes. And now let's wait for it to cool down. Now half the amount we prepared I divide and take. Bay leaves, let's take it. Let's filter it. Let's take it out. Now a tablespoonful of corn, we get it from starch. Bay leaf over the water in the pot, let's add cornstarch. And now beautifully we mix. Primarily corn, its starch. We place bay leaves in water thoroughly. After placing it, we need to mix it up because it may sink to the bottom of the pot. Now turn the stove fire very low from the beginning. Let's open it on fire. Let's place it in the pot and by constantly boiling, let it boil for 2-3 minutes, stirring. Yes, it can reach such a creamy consistency in 2-3 minutes. Is coming. Now let's take it off the stove. Now we will wait for it to cool down a bit. And meanwhile, oil. Yes, friends, we add a teaspoon of black oil and let's mix it immediately so that our black oil is also, it melts and mixes. Now grab a spray bottle, let's pour this bay leaf water. Yes, this is what we prepared. Bay leaf is a skin toner. You will see the amazing benefits, friends. It rejuvenates the skin very well, cleansing, removing black spots, acne pimples, remaining spots and sunspots is a good cleansing skin toner. We have prepared very beautiful face with cream consistency. Let's transfer our mask to a glass container. An e-face mask before. How will we implement it? We clean our skin well, then we apply the face mask. Yes, we apply the face mask all over our face, eye to our skin, neck and décolleté region and our hands. We can apply it. This is a Botox authorized face mask. After applying this face mask, we leave it on our skin for 2 minutes. After that, rinse with normal lukewarm water. We wash it and then the skin we also wash it with our cleaner. Beautifully after washing the skin facial mask, let's get our skin toner and our skin with the help of cotton, our face. This is the neck décolleté area once again. Let's wipe it with skin toner. Also use skin toner every day. In our routine care, twice a day in the morning and in the evening after washing our face once again with tongue toner. We need to delete it, guys. Routine, we will use it twice a day for maintenance. Skin toner. Face mask, we can keep it in the fridge for 7 days for a week. And we can apply it once a week. Friends, also use skin toner for a month. We can keep it in the refrigerator for up to we can keep it and use it twice a day. We can use it as hold your questions in the comments section. Write your comments, friends. New, see you again in the videos. Mr. Dandelion plant with its flowers, let's collect it together. A pinch of dandelion herb, let's take it. Dust it off first, let's rinse. Coriander plant also for our health, it is very useful. Plant given to us by nature, they grow under our feet. Also for skincare, a wonderfully beneficial tool for rejuvenation is a plant. Aren't we all familiar? This can you write in the comments, please. Black, what is chicory? Also write on Google, you can do research. Now the land we have cleaned and prepared chicory plant, let's chop. Place the dandelion plant in a thin glass. Let's put it in a jar. Now I put sunflower oil on it. We can also use sunflower oil and we can also use olive oil, friends. Some of our friends wrote in the comments, olive oil is very expensive. Do you have an olive oil factory? That's it, just because you use olive oil. Yes, it is better if you use olive oil, but if not, use sunflower oil. We can use it. First, let's mix it well and add the oil. The oil we use is based on plants. Let's pour it so that it closes. We'll close, let's pour the amount. Cover the jar with a gauze cloth. I'm closing. This is how I fasten it with an elastic, friends. In other words, our oil also needs to breathe. It is necessary. Now, how to use this oil? Well, we prepare, friends. Use this dandelion oil cold. We will take it as tight. So 40 days outside in the sun and rain will not touch. We place it on the ground. We cover it with gauze to allow air. And we'll keep it waiting like this. 40 days fat, it needs to wait under the sun. Leave the oil out for 40 days while waiting under the sun. Open every 23 days, take the air and mix it. Then again, we will close it and put it on hold again. We will continue. It is enough to take 2 and mix them once a day. It will happen. Now we only buy dandelion, beautiful yellow flowers. Your flowers, let's take it apart. When we pluck its flower like this, it produces milk. Friends, it has a white liquid let me show you this too. Yes, about 15-20 dandelions we bought your flowers. We take a mortar, dandelion flowers in Havana we place, and dandelion flowers beautifully we are crushing. Let's crush it to extract its essence. Yes, let's crush it in a mortar like this. Classic now lean, or let's buy yogurt with low fat content. 2 tablespoons of yogurt is enough for us. The dandelion we crushed in Eve, we add the flowers to the yogurt. We mix the two well. And now this face mask we will use. What will we use it for? A product that whitens the skin by almost 10 shades. It's a face mask, friends. On the skin it easily erases and eliminates stains. Age spots that appear after birth, spots from the harmful rays of the sun. It eliminates stains. Skin smooth like white marble whitens. We buy this face mask. Whitening face mask, and all over our faces intensely on areas where stains occur. Be sure to apply it to the neck and décolleté area. We apply. It also rejuvenates the skin. Cells are renewed and repaired. That's why it whitens the skin, friends. It is a wonderful face mask. Let's not forget to apply it to our hands as well. To our face, our whole face, corner of our eyes, around neckline, including skin. Let's apply it to the area in our hands. Also on our hands, because there are stains, and it also rejuvenates the skin. This after applying the face mask. Lay down for 22 minutes and apply it on our skin. Let's wait. A beautiful facial mask. Skin tightens. It also provides elasticity, and it dries out on our face and skin. To dry, let's wait until after 22 minutes have passed. Let's take it and normally first wash it off our skin with warm water. Let's wash it. We wash our skin well, normal warm with water. Then with our skin cleanser, we are demolishing the remaining skin. After that, we continue its maintenance. I tell you now, I will show the remaining products next time as recipe. Use this face mask weekly. We should do it twice right now, friends. Repairing our skin to renew, rejuvenate, and to whiten. Well, this face mask is disposable. So now we prepared, used, and there is no need to save the remaining amount. It won't stay anyway. To our neck, décolleté area, our hands and face. This will be over after you apply it. Quantity. We separated the flowers and cut the stems now. Let's chop the stems of Kara Jiba. We place it in a glass jar. Let's pour boiled water on it. Let's close the lid and put it on a towel. Let's wrap it up. 40 minutes wrapped in a towel. Let's leave it to brew. After brewing for 40 minutes, we mix it well first. We filter the dandelion juice. Let's get a spray bottle, and now we remove both skin in this way. Cleans, whitens. Blackheads, we have prepared a skin toner that eliminates, friends. We buy it with its skin. After applying the facial mask, be sure to wash it well with skin toner. We can improve our skin, face, the neck, décolleté area, and our hands. We delete. And also this skin apply toner twice a day. In the morning and skin in evening routine skin care. After washing and cleaning with our cleaner. Then once again with this skin toner we are deleting it, guys. Let's definitely delete it. Let's clean it up. And now the next product after the skin toner. Magnificent Dandelion Moisturizer prepared in mixture anti-aging and skin whitening face cream. Yes, we do. Cream is based from aloe vera ready gel for. Yes, aloe vera plant, natural extract the gel of the plant and obtain we can use it. We took 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel from dandelion oil. Of course, you can also filter the oil. For example, I can get it this way. This you can also get it this way. 1 teaspoon of dandelion oil let's add. This is our famous must-have item. Beneficial vitamin E, vitamin E. You can buy it from pharmacies, friends. Let's add 45 drops of vitamin E. Now let's mix it well. Pour the face cream we prepared into the cream container. Let's transfer it. And after the skin is cleaned well, so we made a face mask. We washed it. We cleaned it. We wiped it with skin toner. From him after wiping our face with skin toner, there is no need to wash again. From him then we take it and prepare it beautifully. Anti-aging and skin whitening, very moisturizing. We apply face cream. Apply this face cream to the skin around your eyes. We can also apply. Of course, let's implement it. Neck and décolleté area. His face is all over our face and our hands too. Let's implement it, friends. Twice a day as morning and evening. In the morning too, let's not forget. This face in the morning after applying the cream, our sun protection cream application, it is necessary. Always in winter and summer sunscreen cream in the morning, let's implement it. Friends, this is the face cream we prepared. We will keep it in the refrigerator for up to 2 months and we will use it twice a day. This is the dandelion oil we prepared. After it is ready, strain it and then we can store it for up to 6 months. Shelf its lifespan is 6 months. Also apply skin toner once a month. We will keep it in the refrigerator until black chicory is very dark and cool. We will store it in the environment. Up to 6 months. Face refrigerate the cream for up to 2 months. We will keep it. Yes, friends, all ask your questions in the comments of the video. I'm waiting. Please write how old is he? Write that you are. Which countries? Also write down what you watched. I am yours, my useful recipes according to your wishes. Share. I will share, friends. New, see you again in the video.